Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the name of your iPhone on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on General, then tap on About, and tap on Name. In here, by default, it is set to iPhone, but you can name it something different. So say David iPhone 12 Pro, and then tap on Done. And so now we have changed the name of an iPhone. So if you let your phone become discovered by other devices, they can see your name, your phone, by the name of the name that you have set right here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.